gonna do a little video on my assortment of 9mm. So here we go. Well, there it is. Actually, my most recent one is this one. This is made in New Jersey. It's made all over the world. China, Czechoslovakia, Yugoslavia. There's about 1.7 million of these 9mm made. Comes with 3 8-round magazines. I picked this up for 125 bucks. Now, one I got before that is right up here. This is a Sig Sauer P232. This is chambered in the 380 ACP. This is a 1.7, actually just slightly over 1 pound, weighing in at 17.8 ounces unloaded. Small little caliber, which I particularly am excited to carry for personal protection. That there is the 380 ACP, and when I put it up next to, let's say, a 9mm, you will see what I'm talking about here. So that's the 9mm, that's the 380. That's a 88 grain hollow point made by Remington, and next to it is the 124 grain Spear Gold Dot hollow point. The gun I got before that, still chambered in 9mm, is this. This is the Springfield Armory XD9 subcompact. I got, it comes standard with one 13 round and one 15 round, and I went ahead and bought another 15 round. But 13 rounds and one in the pipe, that's a lot to carry when you consider California bans anything more than 10 rounds. And then the granddaddy of them all, right here, we have the Glock 17. That's 9mm. It's got a 4-inch barrel. Each magazine holds 17 rounds. That's one slit. Out of all of them, when you push that eject button, it's going to eject that magazine now. I bet you that's the fastest. So there you go. As far as fastest, as far as getting a magazine out and one back in. But that's it. Three semi-automatics in 9mm and one semi-automatic in the 38 ACP.